Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Box Tops for Education, School Fundraising app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Box Tops for Education is a fundraising app designed to help schools earn money through everyday grocery purchases. Available on both iOS and Android, it replaces the traditional paper box top system with a fully digital process. Instead of clipping labels from products, users simply scan their store receipts using the app to automatically earn funds for their chosen school. The app's main feature is its receipt scanning and automatic reward tracking system. Every eligible product purchased earns cash that goes directly to the selected school's account. The app also displays real-time school earnings, progress goals, and bonus offers from participating brands. It's a simple and efficient way for families to contribute to education without any extra spending. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its ease of use, instant reward tracking, and the ability to support schools directly. The app eliminates the hassle of clipping and mailing physical box tops, and its bonus opportunities make it easy to maximize contributions. Schools benefit from consistent funding, and the digital system makes participation more accessible for everyone. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report scanning issues when receipts are too long or faded, and certain online purchases may not qualify automatically without email receipt submissions. The earnings per product are small, so building up meaningful funds can take time and community participation. Additionally, the app's interface may occasionally lag or fail to detect products from smaller stores. In summary, the Box Tops for Education app may be worth using if you want a quick, no-cost way to help your local school through regular grocery shopping. However, if you prefer faster fundraising methods or face technical issues with receipt scanning, it might not be the most efficient option. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.